Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This year I'm starting off by doing an alphabet series and I'm going to talk you through ABC today, and I'll end up doing the whole alphabet for you, so just stay tuned and please do like and subscribe if you want to see the rest of the alphabet. But to begin with, you might want to check out the 2 videos I've already done on beginner's calligraphy, and that talks you through how to use brush pens and the 8 basic strokes. So I'll link those in the description for any of you who are interested. Today I'm using coloured acrylic brush pens. I'll link those in the description too, and a normal calligraphy pen, which I'll also link, and I'm using calligraphy paper as well. So I'm just going to kick off by starting with the letter A. So as you can see here, I've marked out 3 different colours that make up the letter. So the first stroke, which is in purple, is your entrance stroke. I use half of the allocated space for a letter to do my entrance stroke. If you're just using calligraphy paper for the first time, a block would be from this top line here to this bottom thick line here, and you'd want the direction of your letters to fall in line with the slanted lines here. So I'll demonstrate that when I do the oval for the A. So ovals, again, if you refer to earlier videos, you're going to start it in the middle where it's a lighter line going up. As you come down, you're applying pressure, and then a lighter line on the ascend up. And that means that you don't get a horrible kind of crossover in this area here. And then the third stroke that makes up your letter A is an underturn, but we're not going to extend it the full way. So a normal underturn, I'll just demonstrate up here, would go like that. For U, we're just going to take it to about halfway, because the idea is that that stroke would join onto your next letter. So we're going to do a downward stroke where we're applying pressure and then bring up. If I do all these strokes in black, you'll see how that looks like the letter A. It's quite hard to visualize when they're all in different colors. So you're going to go up to here with your entrance stroke. So you're going upwards, so it's a light line. Then you start on your oval here, light line, downwards until you join, and then you're doing your underturn. You can see how that's your letter A. Hopefully that's relatively simple. On to B. So B is made up from descending loop, which is this stroke in purple. I'm going to start here. When you're using your calligraphy paper, I like to use a whole line for the top of the descending loop and then a whole line for the remaining bottom of the descending loop. So if you remember again from the basics tutorial, you're starting your descending loop in this middle position here. Got upwards loop, and then when you're coming down, you're applying pressure. Then you'll see we've got the oval here. However, unlike a traditional oval, which is like the A we've got up here, where your pressure's applied on the left-hand side, we want the pressure applied on the right-hand side, where the weight of the B would be. So we'd start your oval in the middle of the descending loop, and you've got your light stroke going upwards, coming down into your thicker stroke, and up again into your lighter stroke. And then you finally got your exit stroke, much like your entrance stroke. You're just going out there. So I'm going to demonstrate that in black. So again, we're starting our descending loop here, up, down. We're starting our oval here, up, down, up, and then we've got our exit stroke here. B. And then C is pretty straightforward. It's just 2 strokes, so you've got an entrance stroke, and then instead of doing a whole oval, you're doing an oval and missing out about a third in the middle, and that'll make your C. So I'll quickly demonstrate that. So you've got your entrance stroke, and then you've got your oval. We're going to start the oval slightly higher, about here, coming down, and I'll do that quickly in black. So you've got your entrance stroke, starting at oval, slightly above the middle area, down and C. That's ABC using your basic strokes. If you would like to see similar content, please do like and subscribe. I'll be doing D, E and F in about a week's time. I'm also going to be doing a couple of YouTube lives in preparation for Valentine's Day. So please do tune in. They'll likely be on a Sunday. And I'll just be doing some simple calligraphy of messages you can write if you want to write something for a Valentine's Day card. So thanks very much for tuning in, guys, and please do like and